cheerful tune. Cows are grazing in the green, green grass. Tractors dance by as the hours pass. Chickens clucking near the big red barn. Every critter loves to see the farm. Tractors on the farm go vroom, 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 making work feel like a fun-filled room. Kids and animals join the happy crew. Everyone's got stuff they love to do. Pigs are rolling in the mud for fun. Sun is shining bright on everyone. Sheep are flocking by the old windmill. Tractors plowing with a steady will. Farmers wave while tractors rumble on, to a melody that never feels too long. Fields of golden wheat and corn so tall. Tractors keep the rhythm for us all.